Embark on a journey to stronger eyesight. Hello everyone! Are you ready to reduce eye strain and enhance your vision with nature's remedy? From the comfort of your home, learn how to nurture your eyes with eye exercises that require nothing more than your commitment. Starting with an exercises simple as blinking, let's embark on this eye-opening adventure together. Your journey to improve eyesight is just about to start. Unlock natural vision improvement. I'm excited to share with you daily exercises that will help eliminate eye strain and boost your vision naturally. Consistency in simple things is often the toughest challenge. Gentle blinking is one of the most beneficial eye exercises for your eyes, and mastering it as a regular habit is crucial for natural eyesight improvement. The technique of gentle blinking: to blink correctly, lightly place 2 fingers on the weight area next to your eyes and blink. If you don't feel any movement under your fingers, you perform the soft blink perfectly. Any muscle movements indicates a need for adjustments. Frequent blinking is vital for eye healing and minimizing eye fatigue, providing necessary rest just as our heart relaxes with each heartbeat. Without sufficient blinking, our eyes miss out essential breaks and become strained and irritated. Building the blinking habit as a practical exercise. Try blinking with each step as you walk, aiming for 100 blinks. This practice is an excellent way to foster the blinking habit. Don't forget to subscribe and explore my other video for more tips on enhancing your eyesight naturally. How to perform daily eye exercises. When you do eye exercises for your eyes, it's important to pay close attention on how each part of your eye feels. If you notice any tightness or discomfort, try to relax that feeling right away. At first, you might need to really focus on this, but after a while, it will start to happen without even thinking about it. Enjoying the process. Thinking about enjoying the eye exercises as you do them. This can make a big difference in how well they work. You could see a little improvement or a lot depending on how much you concentrate on the eye exercises. It's like when people work out at the gym. Have you noticed how they really focus on the muscle they are training? Your eye muscles are very delicate and only need gentle stretches and relaxation, not strong one. So paying full attention during your eye exercises is really important. Check out the Eyesight Academy course, step-by-step guide to natural vision improvement, a link in the description below. Mastering essential exercises. The best exercises to master are the circle exercise, and the light stretching exercises by diagonals, left, right, upwards. Join me on this journey to better vision, and let's enhance our eyesight together with simple and effective exercises.